Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Dash Dev Pro. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can create custom visuals with the design. For example, you want a gear pie chart or somewhat of a custom design of progress bar chart. So let's get right into it. First off, I'll open up my Tableau dashboard. Here I have this sheet open, blank sheet open. I'll just connect to a sample store data. And once I've connected to the sample store data, I would like to then add one and convert that to max, and then I'll do the same. I'll add again 1 and convert that to. Now that I have these two maxes here, I'll just do a dual axis and merge it, and then I'll convert this view to an entire view as in or fit width. And now that I have fit width for this, I will just now go to the first one and I will convert this to pi. And once I've converted that to the pi, I will also now add measured measure names to size as well. Measure names, measure values to size as well. Now I have measure values to size and measure names. I can just remove quantity, profit, discount, returns, people, orders. I have sales and profit right now. And now I would also like to have a custom design here, which will be shapes. And under the shapes, I will select my shape, more shapes, default, go to my custom shape section. And here I will add the custom shape that I had created. Okay, that gets added. Now I'll just remove this from here and add my profit to text label and sales to text label. Now that I have these two labels here, I'll increase the size. Okay, and I'll also increase the size for this one. Right. So now you can see that it's giving a little bit of shape. Now I have this gear icon on this size. Now I'll go back here. I will go to labels. I will can apply overlap other marks. Click on this. Okay. Then alignment is center. This one center. Now that I have it in the center of this visual, I can just customize what this is. This is sales. This is profit. This formatted to be bold. Now I can see that there's a visual gear icon visual which you have created. This in similar way you can create any other design by just importing a custom visual. And in order to do this, like import a custom shape, you just need to go to your uh, folder. I'll just quickly find my folder, which is custom folder. This custom folder is basically inside your documents under Tableau repository. When you go there under shapes, I've created a folder called custom folder, inside which I've placed my images, which is in PNG, right? If you open my picture one, I will show you how it looks like. This is the basic picture that I've created here. You can create this by using PowerPoint or downloading it from Flat Icon and editing it a little. So once you have added that as a PNG over here, the black area is the transparent area. And now that I cross it, if you see that image is overlaying your pie chart. And that's how you achieve your progress bar, progress chart with your status of sales and profit or sales and target, all those things. So as the sales progress, your profit, the target value should reduce. Maybe not, this is not the right way to represent this visual, but yeah, sales and target can be one thing, or sales and remaining sales can be another thing that you can visualize in this kind of visual. So there's a number of ways of doing this, and number of designs that you can employ, and number of ways. Instead of pie, you can use a bar, and over the bar you can overlay a design, somewhat of progress slanting image that you can create an overlay. So that's how you can create custom designs and custom visuals with overlays of max of one dual access, and then the second one has your image overlaid over the other visual. And yep, that's about it for today's video.